Inside this facility, sheets of dried snakeskin arrive from certified suppliers and begin a detailed transformation. Every layer is softened, cleaned, stretched, and treated before it becomes part of a premium leather product. From chemical soaking to mechanical rolling, each step follows strict quality controls to achieve consistent texture and strength. Today, we'll walk through this entire process, from raw skins to finished luxury goods. Let's begin.
The process begins as stacks of fully dried snakeskins arrive at the factory. Each sheet is carefully sorted by size, thickness, and natural pattern. Trained inspectors examine the texture and flexibility under bright industrial lights. Once inspected, every batch is labeled for accurate tracking through the production line. From here, the material is placed onto conveyors and transported to the softening area. Inside stainless steel tanks, the dried skins are gently soaked to restore flexibility. Operators monitor the temperature and duration to ensure uniform absorption. When ready, automated lifting arms remove the softened sheets and transfer them forward. This marks the start of their transformation into high-quality leather. Next, the material enters the roller machines for flattening. The first rolling stage smooths the softened sheets, evening out their thickness. Each roller applies controlled pressure to achieve a consistent surface. Technicians adjust settings to match the specific requirements of each batch. As the sheets progress, they become noticeably more flexible and uniform. After rolling, the material travels toward a large drying area. Here, rows of racks hold the sheets while warm airflow circulates around them. Workers rotate the sheets to ensure even drying on all sides. Once dry, the material regains firmness and is ready for the next steps. Inspectors evaluate the dried sheets for flexibility, texture, and surface quality. Only pieces that pass these checks move forward for dyeing. The next stage begins in the dyeing section, where technicians carefully prepare color mixtures inside stainless steel containers. Each dried sheet is placed into the dye solution, allowing the material to absorb rich, even color. Some batches are processed inside rotating dye drums, which help the pigments penetrate deeper into the leather. Once the dyeing cycle finishes, the sheets are lifted and placed onto draining racks to remove excess liquid. From here, they enter a warm air drying tunnel that locks the color into the fibers. As the sheets exit the tunnel, they cool gradually on the conveyor line.
Yes, the color holds. It's a match.
Agreed. Looks good.
The remaining batches are organized by color shade and stacked into clearly labeled sections. With the color process complete, the material is now ready for texturing and embossing. Workers install metal embossing plates that imprint detailed patterns. The leather passes through heated rollers that press these patterns into the material. Close inspection ensures that every sheet shows clean, sharp texture. Multiple embossing machines operate in sequence to refine the final look. Technicians monitor pressure and temperature to avoid inconsistencies. The newly embossed leather is then reviewed under bright lamps. Completed sheets are stacked neatly according to texture type. Next, the material moves toward the cutting and shaping area.
Okay, that's aligned with the template now.
In the cutting section, automated machines slice the sheets into precise shapes. Each cut is measured to match the specific product design. Workers perform detailed trimming to refine edges and correct imperfections. Every piece is sorted into bins based on size and intended use. The components then move to the stitching preparation area. Sewing machines are arranged to handle different stages of assembly. Skilled operators begin stitching the pieces into connected panels. Edge polishing tools refine the seams and smooth the borders. Stitched components are shaped and prepared for assembly. This stage marks the beginning of product formation. Once stitching is completed, the panels are assembled into full product structures. Pressing machines apply controlled pressure to set the shape firmly. Workers add finishing touches to smooth edges and strengthen seams. Polishing tools enhance the surface shine and highlight the texture. A protective coating is applied to improve durability and resist wear. The items pass through a drying tunnel to secure this final finish. After cooling, the leather shows a clean and consistent surface.
Close up on surface sheen as pieces move forward.
Inspectors evaluate stitching accuracy, texture quality, and alignment. Only pieces that meet the factory's standards move forward. This ensures each product is ready for premium packaging. Finished pieces are organized into trays based on product type. Workers match components to ensure proper pairing during final assembly. Sewing machines attach the last seams, completing the product shape. Edge sealing tools reinforce the borders for added strength. Polishers give each item a refined and premium appearance. Inspectors conduct thorough checks under bright lamps. Tags and barcodes are attached for identification and tracking. Packaging materials are prepared on nearby workstations. Workers gently place each finished item into protective boxes. Sealed boxes are stacked on pallets for shipment. Automated wrapping machines secure the pallets with transparent film. Forklifts lift the wrapped pallets and transport them to the warehouse.
Leather products, ensuring they are ready for shipment.
Workers scan barcodes to record inventory and prepare shipping documents. Labels and paperwork are added to ensure accurate delivery. At the loading dock, transport trucks wait for the final load.
Copy that. Almost there.
Pallets are carefully moved into the trucks and secured. Straps lock the cargo firmly in place to prevent shifting. Workers close the truck doors once loading is complete. The truck departs, carrying the products to their destinations. Back inside the facility, the production floor continues operating with precision. Rows of completed leather sheets showcase the craftsmanship involved. Finished products are arranged for final review and documentation. Workers prepare presentation samples for quality demonstrations.
We need to prioritize the shipment for aisle 4. Confirm the pallet count.
Already done. They're staged and ready to go in row 3.
Excellent. I'll finalize the manifest.
A slow walk through the factory reveals the scale of the entire operation. Inspectors conduct one last check on surface texture and stitching. As the shift winds down, machines are cleaned and workstations organized. And this is how dried snakeskin transforms into premium leather goods, ready for markets around the world.